So I've come out to the park here at Maroochydore again. It's a good park, as you can see. There's a lot of space, there's a few gaps, and most importantly there's not a lot of people. But over the last few days it's spring here in Australia, and springtime means bird nesting season, and I've had a lot of issues with magpies, believe it or not. So old mate thinks that it's cool to swoop. He obviously thinks this whole park's his. Whoa, whoa, whoa. They are one of my good friends normally, but during their nesting season they do get pretty angry and seem to stop me from flying. And just as I've pulled up, I've noticed that over here there's a family of magpies. You can see them sort of running around there now, so I'll be nice and careful of them. I'll stay over this side of the field, and hopefully that means that we can both live in harmony together. He's king. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, is that your breathing?
He's kidding. Clearly I need to learn how to breathe through my nose again. This bird's literally escorting me to the car. He's hunting me. Do you want to come home with me, mate? No FPV day today. Between the wind and psychopathic magpies, no FPV today. Not here anyway. He's definitely not going to love that. Fucking birds, man.
So those props are actually bent and...
GoPro's on, camera's on. So yeah, just check out for the fucking crazy magpie. Magpie.
I don't know if a magpie, like, you definitely crow is an issue.
Oh no, the magpie was coming for you, bro.
Really? Wanted to peek?
Oh, it was going to go, yeah.
I don't think I've ever had a problem with a magpie before.
Did he get it? Did he get it? Yeah, it's funny to watch, eh?
Yeah. And magpie's struggling, it's above you. Magpie's struggling in the wind.
Yeah.
And the drone just cuts through it like, oh, pull it off, hey! Like, magpie's on here, pull it off.
I gotta get this jelly done. Yeah.
So if that magpie makes contact with you and feel like it's going,
Yeah.
it's time to drop that magpie.
Yeah, that's right. That's why I was kind of, yeah. Is he all good now?
Yep.
Yeah, coming down that incline is interesting.
Really putting in some effort down that in to try and get you. You're not getting any of that floaty traffic to go to the Magpie.
Yeah, no, that's all right.
Magpie's still chasing you. There's a lady on the outside of the park or something. Yeah, coming into the wind, you can see the drone really.
Oh yeah, it literally just slowed down then. I'm about to come back in, just so I can also land safely with that Magpie.
There's no Magpie. Got a good run time that thing.
Well, at the moment,
Nice. So I did have to give a bit of.
that's okay. Yeah, I'll have a look and see. I think I can see him. He doesn't like the low stuff either. He doesn't like the low stuff either. So I'll come back through this alley here. This thing has got to go. You gonna knock that side?
Yeah.
That was intense. That Magpie literally came out of nowhere. He's a psycho. Yeah, we've definitely had some fun with the magpies, avoiding them. It's been a very busy magpie season. As I'll make you guys aware, do a bit of a magpie compilation for you.